Hello everyone and welcome to My Natural Hair Delight. Today I'm going to make flaxseed gel. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to get a small little pot, a measuring cup, and whole flaxseed. Okay? And then the first thing that you want to do is pour water into the pot. You don't want to pour the flaxseed into the pot first because the flaxseed can be all over the place if you pour the flaxseed in before you pour the water in. I notice when I pour the water in the pot first and then pour the flaxseed in, the flaxseed will go down at the bottom of the pot, and that way it'll be a lot easier for me to pour the flaxseed gel into the cup. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to pour 2 cups of water into the pot. That's 1 cup and 2 cups. Okay, so I have 2 cups of water, and now I'm going to measure the flaxseed, and then I'm going to pour the flaxseed into the water. I'm going to pour up to 1/3 cup of flaxseed into the measuring cup. That's not 1/3. Alright, so I have 1/3 cup of flaxseed, and I'm going to pour it into the pot. Alright, and now I'm going to place it on the stove, and I'm going to set the heat to medium-high. And then we're going to let it boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so now the flaxseed is boiling, and what you want to do is you want to keep watch of it just so that it won't overboil and the flaxseed won't stick to the bottom of the pot. I kind of left mine in a little too long, so I do feel some flax seeds at the bottom of the pot, but that's okay. The flaxseed gel won't be affected by it. So I'm just going to keep stirring. And it's almost at the texture that I want it. I don't want it to be too thick because then it's not going to turn out right on my hair. So I just want to make sure that it's just the right texture. It's just about done, but I'm just going to cook it a little longer. So once it gets to a slow drip, you just want to take it off the stove so that it won't get too thick. That way, once it cools down, you'll have the perfect texture of the flaxseed gel. So I'm going to let it cool off for about 15 minutes, and then we'll see how it turns out. Another thing that I wanted to show you is that all of the flax seeds are at the bottom of the pot. So once I pour the flaxseed gel into the cup, I won't have to worry about mixing it in with the flax seeds. I don't have to squeeze the flaxseed out. I can just pour it right into the cup or jar or wherever you want to pour your flaxseed gel. So we have flaxseed gel with no flax seeds in it. This is what the flaxseed gel looks like. Make sure you put it on your edges. Okay. You can also put it on this side as well. Twist. Yeah, I'm going to twist this way. Now, once I go from the right side to the left side, once I reach the left side, I can just switch my arms and then I can twist it a little better. I can get a better grip of it.